liters capacity, and it is a double door fridge where the freezer part and refrigeration part are separated with two different doors. So the upper part is for the freezer and the down part is for the refrigeration. For the freezer room, it has 10 liters capacity, and the rest is for refrigeration. The highest temperature for the freezer is -18, and the temperature range for the refrigeration is from 0 to 10 degrees. For the condenser, this is our small condenser for this model, and it is very good for the heat dissipation and also cooling. And here is our compressor room, and the compressor room cover is made of stainless steel, and the plug is 16-inch plug. MOQ is one piece. So if you are interested, you can contact us for more details and more information. Thank you.